Okay, so just gonna walk to the shops. It's a lot warmer today than it was yesterday, which is nice. It's like 5 degrees warmer centigrade, so yay. And we are just waiting to be able to cross this road. Forwards. We need to go pick up some milk, so let's see if we can get to the shops. So update on the coughing. I've still got a cough. So looks like I will be going back to the doctor's tomorrow. Though we won't be going to the walking clinic, we'll be going to the hub. So might see if I can film some of that because of then you get to see Layla finding all sorts of interesting lifts and stuff, which should be quite interesting to show that Layla does slightly more than just street work. I'm going to do some building work. And what else are we going to do? Pretty much just going to do shopping. Don't have a lot of energy, so need to get it now while it still has the energy and breathe. Yeah, fine. Nice. It is so good. Okay. Forwards. Straighten up you. Look at that waggy tail. Layla always wags her tail while she's working. Just goes swish swish. It's because she's half golden retriever. So she's always happy. Which is nice. Makes it easier. A lot easier when your guide dog likes to work. Forwards. Forwards. Good girl. Really good at this. Now, I haven't quite decided which way we're going to go. If we're going to cross straight or if we're going to go the shared space way. We'll probably cross straight and then turn right. Being straight across the road. Because that's quicker and probably safer in the long run. Not today, straight up. Good girl. Okay. Forwards. Oh yeah, I'm wearing a skirt today. Actually, I'm wearing a dress. So that's interesting. Not my usual jeans. Wait. Good girl. Okay. And wait. Okay, good girl. Oh, let's go. Okay. Find. And that's why we wait at the side of each of the crossings. Good girl, find. Good girl. Okay. Yeah, there's a car coming. Okay, it's turned. Okay, forwards. Those cars are turning. And wait. And forwards and right. Good girl, find the way. Yeah, you can see Layla. It's great fun. I can actually see more if I look at my phone. If I look into the camera, I can see slightly more better what's up because it's closer to my face. Zooms in slightly. Is that cheating? That's why you're going through your phone. Oh. I'm wearing non-prescription sunglasses, so really can't see that much at all. Oh, we've just passed a university building, so my phone's connected to the internet briefly. Anyway, you're connected to the internet. People are tweeting you. Tweet, 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 tweet. So yeah, if my phone buzzes, it's Twitter. Obstacle? Nice, steady. It's a fun feeling work. Oh god, I gotta stop. Wait. And this is why we're not taking buses. All the roadworks, everywhere. Okay, forwards. You're too quick. Way too eager beaver. Thank you. These people are just further away because the paving is path is really narrow around there. Hi. Someone's scared. Good girl, Ella. That was a bit of a reaction. Forwards. A nice change. There are no taxis there. There are engines on, so we can go straight across. I don't have to wait forever. Yay. Look at these people. Just gonna gaze around. I'm just trusting Layla. I can't predict. I can't see most of the people, the gaps that she can. So I'm just trusting Layla to do her job. Okay, Layla, find Sainsbury's. Find. Good stop. Okay, find the door. Good go. And good go. Find the basket. Go right up. Baskets. Good girl. There we go. Got a basket. Okay, over here. That's Sainsbury's. Good girl, Layla.